Hi, how's it going? I hope you're doing very well. As you can see, I am squinting because I am outside on my patio. I'm trying to enjoy the summer weather. It's been really nice, but super hot and humid. We are apparently in a heat dome, which is a new terminology recently released by the meteorologist. And anyway, so it's really nice outside. I unfortunately cannot find my sunglasses, so I will be squinting this whole time. But I also wanted to film outside so you guys can see the leather, because today's video I wanted to unbox two new bags that I recently got. If you are coming back to my channel, thank you so much. Welcome back. And if you're new, my name is Diane. Here I like to do reviews and share different handbags. Lately I've been really into the leather handbags, and I recently discovered the Forth Goods brand, and their leather is so squishy and supple. I have been really enjoying the bags that I recently unboxed in my last video. So I ordered two more bags. Both of them are from the Facebook buy sell trade group, and so I have one here that I'm going to unbox, and the second one, there's a hiccup in the shipping. All right, so let's get started with my first unboxing. Just trying to open it without shaking the table too much. So I'm sorry if I'm out of frame a little bit. Oh, these boxes are so hard to open. Okay, I'm actually really happy that the person who shipped this to me bagged it in a plastic bag. You'll see why as you keep watching the video. Like I said, I bought this off the buy sell trade. Trying to fill in frame. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so big. I hope you guys can see it. This is the Forth Goods Fanny Pack, and this is so big. Let me show you. This is my hand. First of all, look at my new manicure that I just got this afternoon. Side note, I think it's so pretty. This bag is much bigger than what I was expecting. This is the pink, and I absolutely have been loving their pink leather. The standard zippers on the front. This is exactly what I was wanting. And then inside, there is the fanny pack. This is with the black strap, and there's the 10-year Forth Goods. There's the lovely brass hardware, and this fanny pack strap is adjustable. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this, and she's so nice. She included, again, when you purchase stuff from Forth Goods, they will give you a cutout of their leather. So this is the 10-year anniversary leather. This is what the pink looks like right there. So it's really nice. I'm gonna start collecting these little keychains. Hopefully you can see how beautiful this pink is. It's such a good size. And here on the back, the fanny pack strap, there are these D-rings here. And then essentially you would just attach the strap to these D-rings, and then you could wear them. And I'll insert mod shots later on in the video, and I might just also insert and show you what fits in here as just a quick aside. And if you can see here, it says YKK right there. So the hardware that Forth Goods brands use are really, really good. You can see YKK right there. And I am so excited about this. This is such a good size. I wanted to quickly show you how much and what fits in this Forth Goods fanny pack. The straps on the back, there are just these D-rings, and there are these brass little rivets, and then this strap right here is adjustable. And this color is in the black strap, but you can customize what color you want. I think there are 4 different colors. So I actually brought this fanny pack out to a soccer game last night, and I haven't unpacked it yet except for my phone and my keys I put back in there, so you guys can see how much will fit in here. And so this is just an overview. And then so here I have my iPhone. This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is the large one. And as you can see, look how big this fanny pack is and how much extra space. The next thing in here, I have been actually using the Portland Leather Goods large Bosman wallet, but of course it's too big to fit in this. So I switched back into the Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet. Then I like to bring my headache medicine just in case I get a migraine. And then so I usually always have this just in case. Then I just had my sunglasses here on top without a case. And then in this little pouch, it's just some essentials. So I have some eye drops in case I have dry eyes wearing contacts. I have my Vaseline cocoa butter. And then I just have a little lip stain. I like this a lot. I actually got it from Temu and it was only like 50 cents. And then I have my hand sanitizer. And then last but not least, I have my car keys. And it's pretty basic. I usually carry a little flashlight on here. And then I have this like handle thing that I use to like push the elevator button doors and things. But I took those two off just to make it more compact to fit in here. So again, this pouch is really nicely sized. I was able to bring it to the sporting event and it will still fit like within the size where I didn't have to bring a clear bag. But yeah, that's it. All right, so this is the second bag that I got. As you can see, it is already unboxed, and unfortunately, that is because when I received it in the mail, the box that it came in was completely drenched, and as a result, this bag was completely wet. It was pretty much almost ruined, but now it's been sitting out and it's dried. This is what caramel looks like. This is the Large Avery tote in the color caramel, which is beautiful, and the name caramel matches it perfectly. And it comes with, this is the saddle color handle, which I think this is such a beautiful bag. This is what the back looks like. This is the large size. Hopefully you can see how shiny it is. But the color is this is a smooth leather. You can see some, let me come closer. There are some scratches. Again, I got this from the buy sale trade group, which is okay. But this side is pretty smooth. I think there are some lines just from when it got drenched. The other thing that I noticed was these rivet, I think they're looking like they are the copper ones. I think it's from when it got wet in the shipping, but there's quite a lot of tarnishing on it right now. So I'll probably have to get some brass cleaner stuff and see if I can clean that a little bit. So this is the front side. This side actually was completely drenched. And so this side I feel like has more damage, if you will. You can see there's some water stains like running all along here. I'm not sure if you can see it here in the sun with the reflection, and then all the way kind of over here, and all this entire front side was in this pocket was completely drenched and wet. And the other thing that I noticed, and I'm not sure if it's just how the bag was or if it's because it got wet and then it dried, but it is very wrinkly on this side, like over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make another video and condition this bag now that it is completely dry, and hopefully it will bring some life back to it, kind of get out some of these watermarks. Feels very, very dry and stiff. It almost kind of feels like cardboard. I don't know if that's just how the caramel leather naturally is, or if it's because my bag was soaked and then now it has dried. But this is what the inside looks like. This is, again, the Large Avery tote. This is the one with the zipper closure. And I love that the zippers are the open zippers. And then when you're not using it, it folds down. And then standard, it comes with 2 interior pockets. Here's one on each side. And then also, I really love, but it also comes with the key clip. So you can hang things or hang your keys. And that's pretty much what the inside looks like. It's the unfinished suede leather. The feel of this, if you're interested in caramel, this feels very, very stiff, which I wasn't quite expecting it to feel this stiff. And if you can just listen. So if you can hear, it's just, this is a really stiff bag. So I'm going to try to condition it and see if it makes it a little bit less stiff, or maybe that's just the characteristic of caramel. The other thing that I wanted to show you before I end the video is the person I got it from. She was so nice. She didn't have the caramel keychain, but she included the keychain for peanut leather in case you're interested. This is just a small sample swatch from Forth Goods, but peanut seems like it's more of a pebbly leather, and there is more of a darker pull-up in the leather compared to caramel. And then for close-ups, in case you're curious, here's what caramel looks like, and then again, this is peanut. So hopefully you can kind of see the difference. Peanut is more of a like yellow with a darker brown color, and caramel is more of like an orangey caramel color. And the other thing that I brought out was I wanted to show you, this is my, in case you're curious, this is my Portland Leather Goods large tote bag, but in case you're curious what the caramel color is compared to Portland Leather Goods. So again, this is honey, and then this is caramel from Forth Goods. So they are kind of similar, but they're different. I would say the Forth Goods color has more of an orangey look to it, And Honey, next to it, I feel like has more of a like mustard yellow undertones to it. And I'm not sure if it's the leather or if it's just the differences in the quality and the thickness of the leather. The Portland Leather Goods Honey, even though it's one of their more stiffer leathers, this one feels quite slouchy compared to this one, the Go Forth Goods. And it may also be because the Go Forth Goods has the hem top, which I absolutely love, and the Portland Leather Goods zipper is just on top. If you're interested, comment down below and let me know. But I probably will make a video comparing these two brands. But that's pretty much it. I hope this was informational and helpful for you if you're kind of debating on these colors and if you enjoy seeing different types of bags. So anyways, that's pretty much it. I'll see you next time. Bye.